Hello everyone, welcome to our 18th video of Golang series. Today we are going to discuss about pointers. In the previous video we have discussed about recursion. If you haven't watched that one, please look into that one. Watch this one. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about pointers now, right? First I will give you a brief overview of the pointers, then you can get a clear understanding of that, right? First I will create a variable called I, right, value with 10, and I am printing that value here. Like in this set, I am run this code, and then you can get the output as 10, right? This is a very simple thing. We have discussed those things in our previous videos, right? What happened there? I am create a variable, right? What is the variable name? I, value is 10, right? It is stored somewhere in our computer, right? What is the name of that? RAM, right? It is stored inside the RAM. Okay, then it has some memory address, right? How we can get the memory address? Using this way we can get the memory address. fmt.println address we can get by using the symbol and I, right? Address of I, right? I am printing this one. It gives some hexadecimal value, right? Then how we can get the address of I? Using the and symbol, right? And I equals 0 x. I am writing sample values, right? The address of this, right? Okay, then we can store the address of I to another variable, right? Like in this way, I am created another variable like iptr and stored the address of I, and I am printing output of iptr, right? Address of iptr here. In here I want to show something. What is the value of iptr? First I will print the value of iptr, and then I am printing the address of iptr, right? iptr address. In here also I am printing the fmt.println address of I, right? I am writing these things for, then you can get a clear understanding. I, right? In here what? Address of I, right? In here iptr, and here address of iptr, right? Address of iptr, right? These are the output. In here you can see address of I and the iptr values are same, right? But address of iptr value is different, right? I will remove that one. I am creating another variable here. What is the name of that variable? It is iptr. What is the value? Value equal to address of I, right? In here it has some different memory address. How we can get that iptr memory address? Using the and iptr, right? It has some memory address that is different from this, right? I am like this way, right? For some sample values, right? Okay, then in here that iptr value stored the address of I, and then using the iptr we can get the value of I, How you can get that done? I want to get the I value using the IPTR. How we can get that done? fmt.println value of I equals to star IPTR. Right? Using the star mark, we can get the value of the pointer value. Right? Pointer reference, right? In here 10, right? Because IPTR holds the address of I and we are dereference that using the right? Okay. These are very important thing, right? Then we will discuss about the pass by value and the pass by reference. Right? It's related to function. Since I am creating the function, right? I value, right? I value and pass it here. And inside this function, I am changing that value to 60. And also I am creating another function. In here, we are passing value in the value method, right? Because we are changing some copy. I will show that one. And I am creating another function, right? Here I am passing pointer value I, so we can represent pointer in this way. Right? In here I get first I got the value of I and then if I enter this. Now we also I value I using value of 5. And we got value of 5. Here I. The value you can see. Print the value again. I value right. In here what I did was I passed the I value to here and then it will modify by here, but it will not affect to this function because it modify the local variable, right? I will show that one in here. Now you can get a clear understanding of that one. That will not affect to the this main function, right? It will affect only the this function, right? If you print in this way in here that I value, you can get a I equals 60, but in here we cannot get that one because we have passed the only copy here, right? We have passed not original value, we are passing the copy, but in here we are passing the reference. How we can pass the reference? We can call to I reference, okay, with the address of I. Then I am printing the I value again with the function name. How we got that one? We are passed the address of I here, right? And then we got the value of pi. What is the value of pi? 10, and then that 10 assigned to what? 60, right? It is modified by 60. Here we can get the 60 because we have passed the original value here, right? Hope you got the clear understanding about the pointers. If you have any questions, please put those things in the comment section, then I can answer to those things. If you have learned new things, please subscribe to the channel and please share those things with your friend. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.